The biggest obstacle most real estate investors face is running out of cash after their first few purchases. Welcome back to VA Mortgage Specialist, where we are teaching you the BRRRR method to help you build a massive portfolio without getting stuck. BRRRR stands for Buy, Rehab, Rent, Refinance, and Repeat, which is a strategy designed to recycle your initial investment over and over again. You start by purchasing a distressed property at a discount and using a renovation loan to fix it up and increase its market value. Once the home is renovated and a tenant is placed, you perform a cash-out refinance to pull your original investment back out of the property. Because you have created instant equity through the renovations, you now own a cash-flowing asset with little to none of your own money left in the deal. You then take that same capital and move it into your next property, effectively creating an infinite loop of real estate growth. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to see how our renovation and refinance products can power your BRRRR strategy, and subscribe for more advanced investing tips.